how many different ways we can use it, how many possible outcomes we can find in this question. In this question, first we have to choose from what? From what?
The bread.
The bread.
Bread.
How many choices with the bread?
2.
2.
2.
And the meat? How many choices with the meat?
3.
3. And how many choices with the cheese?
2.
2.
So, how many possible outcomes do you expect in this question? How many possible outcomes?
7.
Possible outcomes. 7? How did you calculate it? Possible outcomes, we will multiply 2 times 3 times 2. Because we have fil bread, we have 2 choices. Fil meat, we have 3 choices.
12.
We have 2, right? So fil bread, we have 2, fil meat 3, fil cheese 2, then it will be 2 times 3 times 2. It will be how many? It will be 12 choices, okay? So this is the first step which we have to do it. We are going to calculate how many possible outcomes. Second, we want to make our tree. How we will find the tree in this case? Then we will start first with the bread and what? The meat and the cheese. El bread, we have how many choices? Is there anyone have any idea how we can make the tree for this question?
We take every bread with everything.
We want to make the tree now for this choices. So the choices we have to choose from the bread, from the meat, from the cheese. After that, we will put the main topic, which is bread, and then meat, and then cheese. Under bread, we have white or wheat. From the meat, we have how many choices? We have how many choices from the meat? We have 3, right? So we will draw to go to meat. We have 3 arrows. And also with the meat, we have 3 arrows.
Meat in the bread, and in the meat there was ham or turkey or chicken, and in the cheese there was cheddar or sauce.
Or sauce, right? So by the end, if we want to count how many choices do we have, so we have 2, right, times 3 times 2. For this reason, we said that we have the outcomes was 2 times 3 times 2 equal 12. After that, if I will ask you a question, use the diagram from this example to find ham sandwich. Use the diagram to give me ham sandwich. What is the probability it will be with you? How many times you can find ham sandwich? To the question again, use the diagram to find probability of ham sandwich. يلا grade 7. How many times you can choose ham? Grade 7.
2 out of 12.
2 out of 12?
Yes.
Agree with word? 2 out of 12? Huh? 2 out of 12?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let me check with you. You can
4.
4 times. Yes. You can choose ham, right? And cheddar, or ham and Swiss. So from the beginning, your word, it could be white, ham, cheddar, or white, ham, Swiss. So this is 2. You can also choose wheat, ham, cheddar, or wheat, ham, Swiss. So how many times the probability it will be a word? It will be how many times?
4 out of 12, and the simplest
Exactly.
form is 1 over
Exactly.
3.
So it will be 4 out of 12, right? In simplest form, it will be equal 1 out of 3. Understood? Grade 7. Grade 7, understood?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. Mariam. Mariam,
Yes.
could you please tell me how we will know that the probability was 4 out of 12? The probability of ham?
Miss, can I say?
The probability of ham.
Miss, can I say?
Okay, Ibrahim, go on. Please wake up, Mariam. Yes, Ibrahim.
Ham, we have cheddar and sauce,
Yes, we have.
and with the white bread, and with the wheat bread, we have ham, cheddar, and sauce. Or
Thank you so much. So how many times you can find ham?
4.
4 times. Thank you. Then 4 over the total, which it was 12, equal 1 over 3. Okay, let me give my dear students another question. Use the diagram to find the probability. Use the diagram to find the probability of containing Swiss cheese. I'm going to write the question. Probability, okay, containing Swiss.
6 over 12.
Just second, cheese. Okay. Who can answer this question?
Me.
6.
Who?
Ibrahim.
Okay, who else?
And me.
Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Yes, okay, go on, ya Abdurrahman.
6.
6. How did you find it?
Because we can have white ham Swiss, white turkey Swiss, white chicken Swiss, and we can have wheat ham Swiss, wheat turkey Swiss, and wheat chicken Swiss.
Thank you. Then how many times did we found Swiss in this question? We found
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer, it will be equal 6 out of 12. In
In the
form,
simple form, 1 over 2.
it will be 1 over 2. Very good. It will be 1 over 2. Okay. If I want to ask you probability containing turkey, probability containing turkey,
Also 4 over 12.
also 4 over 12. Yes. Why?
because in the white bread we have turkey sauce
Yes,
and cheddar, and in
we
the
have turkey how many times?
we
Two
have
times.
turkey 4 times.
لا for the white.
For the white
For
we
the
have
white,
2, and in the wheat we have 2.
yes, very good. So for the white we have 2, for the wheat we have 2. So we have 4 out of 12, which means it will be 1 over 3. Rahma,
Over
4 over 12 equal 1 over 3, right? Rahma, Rahma,
Yes, miss.
could you please tell me, honey, what is the probability to have cheddar? What is the probability to have cheddar? Hmm.
It will be, it could be 6 out of 12.
Excellent. It will be 6 out of 12. Very good. Why? Because we can count now. It could be wheat ham cheddar. It could be wheat turkey cheddar. It could be wheat chicken cheddar, right? So we have cheddar. We have it 6 times here. So it will be 6 out of 12. So this is how we can find probability by using what? By using what? Tree diagram. By using what again? Again, tree
Diagram.
diagram. Okay. Then, if there anyone can give me a summary about this part, which we talk about it. Okay, go on, honey. Go on.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then she a pair of pants that is black or blue,
Yes.
and a pair of shoes checked or red.
Okay. Then, المين points or المين outfit which is going to make it. The first one is shirts. The second one is pants. The third one is what?
Shoes.
Shoes. Yes. آدم واصل. آدم واصل. Could you please continue how we can make a tree? How many t-shirts we will choose from?
How many t-shirts?
In the question. She can choose from what? Green?
3.
3. Yes. The first one is green. The second one
Red or
is
yellow?
red or
Red.
yellow. Yes.
Yes.
Or red or yellow. Is there anyone can tell me what are the possible outcomes in this question? What are the possible outcomes?
The possible outcomes are 12.
12.
Are 12. Yes. How did you find it?
3
3 times
multiply
2
2
times 2.
multiply 2.
Yes, because we have in shirts how many choices? We have 3. In paints we have how many choices?
2.
2 choices.
2 choices, below or black. And in shoes?
2.
In shoes how many?
2.
2, right? So we have 3 times 2 times 2, right? Then we will start to move from green. We will take 2 choices with the pants, and red also we will take 2, and yellow we will take 2. Okay, and then we will write, then we will choose blue or black. Blue or black, and we have the same blue or black, and here too we have the same في ال choose we have how many choices? How many choices في ال choose? في ال
Two.
choose
Two only.
we have two.
Two.
Then from black we have two choices. From blue, I'm sorry, we have two choices. Black also we have two.
The type of the choose is red
Mm.
and checkered.
Red checkered مش كده؟ Okay, so we have two, 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 and two. We can choose the first letter only for each one. So we have C or R, which is red. And we will repeat the same for each one. C or red, C or red, C or red, C, red, C or red. Okay, then by the end, what are the possible outcomes? So we can say 3 times 2 times 2, or we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, as I said, this question, you will find it in your book, page 409, from question 10 till question number 13. Now, what is the probability that Matey picks an outfit at random that includes red shoes? Red shoes. How many times did she choose red shoes?
6.
6 times. How did you find it? We will count the red
Because
here, right? We will count the red. So we have 1 to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then she chose 6 out of how many?
12.
6 out of 12. So the answer, it will be equal 1
over 2.
over 2. Yes. Thank you, Abdurrahman. This is question number 11. Question number 12. Kareem. Kareem,
Yes.
what is the probability that no part of Martina's outfit is red?
Um, 2 parts.
How? ها احنا في عندنا red هنا مش كده؟
Huh?
She can choose red. And also from the shoes, she can choose red. So we want no red. We want no red. يعني we will cancel the part at the middle, right? And we will work with yellow and we will work with green also
Green.
only. في green, we will avoid to have red. So you have how many choice with the green?
3. 2.
With the green, it will be how many?
2. 2.
She can choose green, blue,
Green, blue.
and checkered. يبقى ده first choice. She can choose green, black, checkered, right? What else? With the yellow.
يلو ممكن يلو بلو تشيكرز أو يلو بلاك تشيكرز.
Yes, so in this case we have how many choices?
4.
4. Out of how many?
Out